Alright guys, it's Thursday right now. We're with Evan. We're at the Ohio State basketball game. They're playing Alabama A&M. They're playing Alabama A&M right now. So you know I had to get fitted up. I got the red and black on, little fire fit. Shout out Cooper. Hey, that was tough. How do you feel about that?
Brutus down there in the flesh.
This is a big dude, bro.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
You got Bryce? Oh my God. So good.
This Bryce Sensabaugh dude, he's tough. He's only 19. He's Jason Tatum's age.
Hey, everybody can't put that fire.
Ohio State's slowly pulling away, though. They're slowly pulling away.
I mean, they should be pulling away. It's Alabama A&M.
He is nuts.
Hey!
This weekend, though. This weekend they are.
You think?
Yeah.
It's on the way. No good. He hooked it. And Georgia is going to survive.
Jackson's getting a Ohio State sweatshirt.
Hey, we fit it up.
Yes, sir.
All right, yo, guys. The the Ohio State game just ended, and you guys know I already had copied the Ohio State merch, so I got this sick sweatshirt. Went to the city. I've been hanging out with Evan all week, and we went to the game, so I was like, I might as well have to get like a little souvenir for the game, right? And yeah, we got the merch, baby, so we're gonna head home now, and honestly, we might go film later, too. This TV is bigger than my future, bro. So here we go. Wow. All right, we got Zane here. Hey, you sold it. In my defense, guys, Loki, I think this is like 12 feet. I'm not gonna lie.
Come on, Jaxen. I'll consider it.
He's gonna miss. I manifested it.
That's
Wow.
crazy, Jaxen.
Wow.
Jaxen.
It's a long game, boys. It's a long ass game.
It's a long game. Come on, Jaxen.
Bruh.
Jackson's over here making big moves.
Hey. Boys, look at behind me and Zane right now. Something straight from the upside down.
That's from fucking Where the Wild Things Are, that book.
It's the plant from Mario.
It's a Venus flytrap.
You know what I'm talking about, though? Like when you get the firepower.
It literally exists in real life.
Oh.
It's a V.
Imagine if we had these JBLs somewhere set up in Gavin's car, bro. Going down the street just blasting like some Mo Bamba, some juice. Can I just try it out? Alright, bet. Ready, you gotta write the vocals one more time. Hey there, Delilah. Alright, wait, hold up. Carson. Oh my god! What did I hit, bro? What did I hit, bro? Carson, you're such a really cool guy. Carson, you kind of look like a fry. Carson, I'll see you in the sky. We go to heaven. Yo guys, we're sledding today in Halley, Michigan, and I got the crew. That boy Josh is rolling. Dude is straight up flying. Daniel, you gotta move. Oh my god. Aaron says that he's jumping all of these kids right here, so we're gonna see it. We're gonna see it.
Oh my god!
I want to jump one. Don't trust. Wait, Aaron, you go on your knees when you did that? Pause. Boys, I'm not gonna lie, that was fucking insane. We're gonna try to jump one person. I've never jumped anyone. It could go bad. Josh, you think I got it? You think I have it in me? Can I jump one person? I can jump one person if I put my mind to it. Let's go.
Pull up in that talkie, ain't this big body.
I'm gonna lie, Aaron jumps 10, I'm going in berserk. You can't let me die, bro.
Jaxen, B10.
B10?
4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Shoulder this shit, guys. Right here, boys. This is the riskiest thing I've done in my life. Holy shit. Oh my God.
We did it! Oh my God!
So thought he was going on me, like 100%. How do you feel like you just jumped?
Amazing.
Give us a little run through.
I don't know, I was just in the air, bro, and I just saw you, so I just gotta like tilt my body back so I would hit you.
5500, nigga, that's your range. When I came to the club, make a storm hurricane. The nigga pull up, think he G.I. Joe, man. 762, turning G.I. Saints. Up, yeah. Moonwalking all on the money, yeah.
As we're at a new location now. Made this park bench, made a little ramp before it. Landon's up there.
Let's get it. Two is only my crew, out of the shoe. Bullets, they coming at you. You niggas, you running your mouth, I running your house. You know what I'm 30 about. I'm banging out, don't give a fuck. Boys, we talk.
Alright, boys, part 2. Landon's putting on for that city.
Try me, you pressing your luck, I'm in the streets. 40 so motherfucking fat to sweep you up off your feet. I'm in the trap, I don't trust the soul. So I wash my back, so fucking sad. Niggas talking shit about my brother Jack. I pull up on you, where you at?
I can't go. These niggas too sweet, act like bitch. These niggas hoes. I would not jeopardize my riches for no hoe. Customize outside of my whips and on foes.